In this video, we'll see how Pega Intelligent Document Processing helps transform unstructured documents, such as utility bills and fuel invoices, into structured, decision-ready data inside the Pega platform. The user starts carbon mitigation case type by adding the location details, selecting the relevant ESG initiative, and defining the reporting period for the case. In order to track carbon emissions, rather than manually analyzing utility bills and invoices, the user can directly upload the document, and Pega Intelligent Document Processing automatically extracts the required parameters for reporting and mitigation. For demonstration purposes, we created a few mock utility bills and invoices specifically for this carbon mitigation case type to showcase how the extraction works. The extracted data appears in a structured table format. The system automatically captures details such as the source type, supplier name, quantity, and unit directly from the uploaded bill or invoice. We can then transform, validate, and manipulate the extracted values as needed within our case type, and use them to calculate the total carbon emissions, CO2e, aggregated across direct, indirect, and supply chain emissions. If emissions exceed the limit, the case is marked non-compliant, and mitigation actions must be initiated. In order to plan the mitigation actions, we then use Pega GenAI Connect to analyze the total emissions across direct, indirect, and supply chain sources, along with the applicable regulatory limits and site risk factors. Based on this evaluation, it provides suggested mitigation plans aligned with compliance requirements and operational context. By leveraging Pega GenAI Connect for mitigation planning, we can avoid manual analysis and spreadsheet-based evaluations, ensuring a faster, more consistent, and governed decision-making process. Now let's see how IDP is configured using Pega GenAI Connect. To begin with, we create a GenAI Connect rule and define a structured prompt that clearly specifies the exact fields to be extracted from the uploaded bill or invoice. A critical configuration step is enabling Include Attachments for analysis, which ensures the uploaded document is sent along with the GenAI request. We also need to map each extracted field directly to the corresponding Pega case properties. Finally, we select a document-capable AI model, which supports document understanding and structure extraction. In order to create a mitigation plan based on the calculated emissions, we configured another GenAI Connect rule. In this rule, we define a structured prompt specifying how mitigation plans should be generated based on emission levels, regulatory limits, and site risk factors. The generated recommendations are then mapped directly to the corresponding case properties. With the help of Pega GenAI capabilities, we achieved automated document processing and structured mitigation planning within the same workflow.